Take a peek at this channel with 450,000 subscribers. Despite having just 51 brief no-face content videos, it's raked in millions of views. It's pulling in $6,000 daily, totaling $96,000 monthly. Now compare it to another video automation channel. 116,000 subscribers, 119 short videos, also with millions of views. This one earns $1,100 daily, making $18,000 monthly. What's intriguing? Both are monetized. Let's dive into their AI content creation for Make Money on YouTube. It's surprisingly simple, all generated by an AI tool and AI video generation.
If I was in front of you and I gave you two options,
How to make Instagram Reel videos for AI, TikTok tutorial, and create YouTube Shorts with AI have surged in popularity online. Numerous creators are leveraging Reels on Instagram to gain rapid success. How to make YouTube automation videos with AI. There's a plethora of tutorial bulk video creation content available on crafting Shorts or Reels AI for YouTube. However, they often emphasize similar fact-based niches. Consequently, many new creators gravitate toward these same new YouTube niches when they start. As a result, this niche has become oversaturated, leading to new creators struggling to garner the expected views. However, I've discovered a fresh niche for my audience. In today's YouTube Automotion video, I'll unveil it for you. Moreover, I'll also reveal the optimal method to create a viral video method using AI assistance. At the conclusion, I'll also infuse a human touch to the content and viral video secrets. So, without further delay, let's delve in. Before we kick off the video, the crucial point here is the topic or niche, dark psychology and manipulation. Today, I'll be creating content centered around this specific niche and making a dark psychology faceless YouTube channel. Let's begin. Now, it's crucial to note that generating tips on dark psychology and manipulation using ChatGPT or Google Bard isn't feasible. Instead, you can gather data from Google by searching for dark psychology tips. Visit any of these websites for valuable tips. Select one tip from there, but refrain from directly using it due to potential copyright concerns. To address this, we'll rephrase the tips using ChatGPT. Here's the prompt you can enter into ChatGPT to rephrase the paragraph. Please rewrite the following paragraph about obtaining tips on dark psychology and manipulation from Google search results, ensuring it avoids any potential copyright issues while maintaining the essence of the information. Then paste the paragraph into the ChatGPT interface, and it should swiftly rewrite the content for your video creation. You're absolutely right. Combining voiceover generation, image creation, and video editing into a single tool would make the entire process far more captivating and efficient. It streamlines the workflow and adds an extra layer of interest to the content creation experience. I see you're referring to Flicky AI, an exceptional text-to-video generator. Once you're on the Flicky AI website, click on Get Started for free if you're new to the platform. Follow the prompts to create an account using Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, or your email. Once your account is set up, navigate to the dashboard. In the dashboard, you'll find a section displaying previous projects. If you're a first-time user, this area might appear blank. To begin creating a new video, click on New File from this section. On the ensuing page, you'll need to select the file type, language, and other relevant settings for our new video project. To initiate, choose the file type video, followed by selecting your preferred language. Flicky offers over 40 languages and various accents. I'll choose English with a US accent. Next, provide a name for your video and set the aspect ratio. 1 for Facebook Shorts, 16. 9 for landscape video size. For TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, opt for 9:16. This is the answer to how to post a YouTube video on Instagram and how to upload a YouTube video on Instagram because sizes are the same. So, we go with the 9:16 portrait. Once all settings are in place, click the Submit button. This will lead you to the Flicky AI Creator page. Begin by accessing the Scene 1-inch box where you'll paste the script. Understood. You want multiple scenes in the video. I'll copy and paste each line from the rewritten content one by one into the different scenes on Flicky AI, allowing us to generate a video with various scenes and images. This way, each scene will correspond to a specific part of the script. Let's start by pasting the first line into Scene 1, then continue adding subsequent lines to create each new scene. Great, the script is set. Now, let's choose a voice actor. Initially, I'll select Sarah, the default voiceover, and then explore the list of voice actors available. I'll listen to a few samples to find a deep voice suitable for the video. Once I've found the right one, I'll apply this voice to all the scenes to ensure consistency throughout the video. Our voiceover selection will then be set and ready to go. Understood. To generate visuals resembling the videos we've seen, I'll begin by copying the script from the first scene. Then, I'll navigate to the visual section and proceed from there to ensure the generated images align with the corresponding script. Got it. I'll follow the steps to generate the images for each scene by using the text-to-image generator option. I'll paste the corresponding script text as the prompt and specify a dark paint style before hitting the Generate Art button. If the generated image doesn't fit, I'll regenerate it until satisfied. Once I've found the right image for each scene, I'll select Use this art to finalize the visuals. Sounds like a plan to get our visuals ready. Perfect. I'll head to the top common scene and select the option to choose a file for background music. I'll explore the extensive collection and pick an intense and ambient track for the video's background music. And with that, we're all set. Certainly. Subtitles in Flicky AI can be added in the Subtitles section by selecting where you want the text to appear on the timeline. However, these settings might not be available in the free version. For more advanced subtitle customization, such as setting specific timings, the Pro version would be necessary. Understood. Even though the subtitle settings in Flicky AI might not be available in the free version, I'll proceed to download the video. For a human touch, I'll edit the video later, possibly adding subtitles using another AI tool. Once the rendering is complete, I'll initiate the download by clicking on the download icon and then accessing the file from the download section. This might take some time, but once it's ready, I'll have the file downloaded. Understood. I'll head over to CapCut, which is a free-to-use video editing tool available online. If you don't have the desktop version, you can utilize the online version for this task. Once in CapCut, I'll import the video generated from Flicky AI and place it into the timeline for editing. I'll make any necessary adjustments required for this tutorial to enhance your understanding of the process and automate video production. This will also aid in expanding your knowledge regarding video editing techniques. Great! I'll head to the Text tab in CapCut and select the Auto Caption feature. After choosing the video language, I'll click on the Create button. CapCut will analyze the voiceover and generate synchronized captions for our video. Perfect, the subtitles are now accurately aligned. Understood. I'll adjust the font size and color of the subtitles to ensure they're ideal for the video. Additionally, I'll include a background for the subtitles and position them in the middle of the video. I'll make sure the Apply to All Options feature is turned on for uniformity, perfecting the subtitles for a polished look. Alright, I'll head over to the Animation tab in CapCut and select the Caption Animation preset to enhance the visual appeal of the subtitles. Once that's done, I'll move to the Effects tab and choose an effect to add some visual flair to the video. Our inaugural video is set. It covers the process of starting a new Faceless YouTube channel idea, uploading a video, and optimizing it with SEO-friendly elements like titles, descriptions, tags, hashtags, and thorough settings. Once you've watched this video, check out my detailed lo-fi video. You'll find the link to it in the description of this post. With everything set, I'll click on the Export button to finalize the video. And voila! Our video is ready to be enjoyed.
This persuasion technique, commonly employed by waiters and parents, aims to subtly guide the individual toward a predetermined choice. Humans inherently value the freedom to make their own decisions, and this technique capitalizes on that innate desire. Instead of dictating a decision, which could lead to resentment, this tactic presents a limited set of options, all aligned with the desired outcome. By providing a semblance of choice, the individual is more likely to accept one of the predetermined options, fostering a sense of autonomy and satisfaction.
Absolutely. If you found this video helpful, remember to smash that like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more fantastic tutorials in the future. Your support means a lot. If you want to watch how to 24/7 music live streaming on YouTube, free for lo-fi channel, and make recording with OBS Studio, click on left. If you want to watch how to generate free AI voiceovers and text-to-speech tools for English, Hindi, Chinese, Spanish, Arabic, click on the right. Thank you and being part of this AI success story. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.